Children, last class we have discussed about four different types of climates in India. Today we are going to discuss two important extreme climates around the world. First one is the polar region or polar climate. Second one is the equatorial climate, equatorial or tropical climate. Let us talk about the polar climate. Polar region is the northernmost part of the world. That is the Arctic region. Starting from the Alaska part of USA, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden and Finland. And then the Siberian region, northern part of Russia. This region belong to the polar region. The important feature of this region is that the whole area is covered by snow and the temperature is minus 37 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Almost every month temperature is about minus 37 degrees Celsius. Even during the extreme winter season, slight change may be there. And another feature of this polar region is that 6 months there is no sunset and the remaining 6 months there is no sunrise. That means 6 months complete darkness and the next 6 months complete brightness. And there are so many animals living like a polar bear, penguin, Arctic fox, etc. I will give you the description of these animals and how they adapt to live in this region later at the end of this class with some videos. Okay. The second type of climate is tropical climate. Can you see the equator here? Equator is passing through these countries. Let us come to the location of India. Just below India, the equator is passing, and the countries nearby around the equator are called tropical countries. And in Asian region, India, Thailand, Indonesia and Malaysia are the major countries that belong to tropical region. And when we come to the African region, there Kenya, Uganda, Congo and Nigeria are some of the major countries of Africa that belong to the tropical region or the equatorial region. When we come to the American continent, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador and the northern part of Peru are the major countries of Latin America that belong to this equatorial region or the tropical region. The most important feature of this region is that it is very hot because the sunlight directly reaches into this area. And then another important feature of this area is that it gets plenty of rain. Due to these congenial conditions, suitable conditions, there is plenty of rain and warmth. Lot of animals and plants are growing there. Another feature of this region is that it is there the tropical rainforest like the Western Ghats in India and the forest in Assam are examples of the tropical rainforest. And again, this kind of forests are found in Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Brazil, etc. The important feature of this rainforest is that plenty of animals and plants are growing there due to the suitable climate prevailing there. And in India, we have this type of climate found in Western Ghats. Western Ghats mean the western part of India, including the forest and hilly regions of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra. That means the Western Ghat starts from Kerala and goes up to Maharashtra. The most important places in region are the Sabarimala, then Munnar, Wayanad, and then in Tamil Nadu, Ooty and Kodaikanal, and the major hilly regions of Karnataka of and Goa and Maharashtra are the regions that belong to this Western Ghats. So many animals are found here. I'll give you the detailed description of the animals found in Western Ghats and how they are adapted in those regions. Another important tropical rainforest found in India is the Nambar forest in Assam. You know, the rhinoceros is famous animal found in the forest in Assam, and of course Sundarban forest in West Bengal and Bangladesh also belong to this type of forest. And I will send you a detailed description of the animals and their adaptation that are found in the equatorial region or tropical region. The most common animal in polar region is the polar bear. Polar bears have white fur. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them to catch the prey. The two thick layers of fur protect them from extreme cold. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. Polar bears are good swimmers. Its paws are wide and large so that they can walk easily in the snow. It has a strong sense of smell. Another important animal found there is the penguin. Its feathers are white and merges well with the background. It is also has thick skin and a lot of fat to protect them from cold. They huddle together to keep them warm. Penguins are also good swimmers. Their feet have webs. The Siberian crane is a bird found in Siberian region. During the extreme cold season, they migrate to warmer places. They travel thousands of kilometers and reach places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. Now let us see some of the animals found in the tropical rainforest. The lion-tailed macaque is the spectacular attraction of the Silent Valley forest in Palakkad district. Its most outstanding feature is the silver-white mane that surrounds the head. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on trees. It feeds on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stem, flowers, and buds. It also searches for insects under the bark of trees. Another well-known animal of India tropical rainforest is the elephant. Its trunk acts as nose and also it is used for picking up food. Its tusks are modified teeth used to tear the bark of trees. Large ears help them to hear even very soft sounds. The ears also help it to keep cool in the hot climate of the tropical rainforest. Another animal found here is the red-eyed frog. It has developed sticky pads on its feet to climb on the trees. It has large projected eyes to see around. A common bird found in tropical rainforest is the toucan. It has long, large beak. This helps the toucan to pluck fruits. Thus, we can see that the tropical rainforest is home to wide variety of animals and plants. This is because of the suitable climate that prevails there. So, these animals are well adjusted to live there because of their special features. There are a lot of more to name, but for time being, let us wind up here. Thank you.